abotre abodua nyansam no asane the opportunity so say otumfo bu asante ne Ghana pepepe na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia esan bi o se panitri hu ne esuan kuma ehwe kuma ti wo hwan otumfo tiri hu no wagye nyansa ne nimdie o da bedi MPP partner nim no de akɔkyere ponso de akonkunmdie mu anyame ne wanu mu ne abo akwase na otwe ne bema odi oba ne mafiri otwe mu ba ne adade ye mpesa jimifo no we party ne mu kura bio. This is a party of the elite. MPP party nyankwase for party. The Roches, the Dubois, the BG Roches, the SD Dombos, the J Kufos, the Kufados, the JH Menses, such a party, formidable people. I could a party with ye leadership. I ain't going to go beyond an hour until Bubochaskelo. Ye PhD doctor ni more cratch ni more international kasa, or there are some two we are suffering enough first inside who say yes, Bema Kasa, what the economy, and I say economic whiskey. Clear, any penny I to UP for Nangasa Shim say Dr. Bamia by economy there is the whiskey. It's in your Kennedy level, no delegate Mumo being 1,500 is Mamma Adam, the TV crying review, mobile phone digitization, driving a cost of phone, so Ukra phone, I will be a digital assistant, Papa, they are by interoperability. Can I say, Mr. Kayano, which means and this can VMT and Kotigo, so Dr. Mamuba, me a cost so clean. Upon another Uncle Kufa do a chidom, no fair record, will no be a level in the whole Africa, or man, free education for 8 good years uninterrupted. The electricity generation 8 years straight up. Now cost to train Kwayanom, the Gunom, the train, so 14,000 kilometers of roads across the country. Ubashanti region 4,000 university accommodate 2 international airports. No, that film Kumasi Tamale no my record Tamale Okwa Esimu clean was yes a Kurama Mintajan the Binsi Hoda. One John Hamanankasa free in the feature Bolly Kona Kore in Mura Nifuturum one year. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, but also Baba Daniel Many, Ukwel Mina, when I'm fishing about Papa, I see Oko Jamestown, or the Bakusi, you clean, Ukoklebu and the Neurology Nephrology Department, Kufado, and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, no more Peja Hospital in the CEO, Oko UGMC phase 1, no IF phase 2, no, they can't papa. It's a chroma there. Record net down, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and you'll be a level, no, Japan, or Yahweh. But on the tactics, and they say, when you suit a cash need the nothing, the DNA record need be down on me, and also be a film day ice cream in Kutoba Bay ice cream or Ghana Krumwa. Maybe I see hotel wapum. E okroma wan e kogoda sa hotel nim. Etwam wo de dawada wo ba dey.
O ten choba kan e mutu ni abenkwan.
Wo tete politics na etwam
we yala we your policy. E mutu ni abenkwan a wo be kan na no no wan e koto.
Wo tete politics na ni ho bi e ko. Na fa se die ntina ya asante hene. Ya kunya kase die ntina de motumfo. E na ho brase ne nim die. Awa me mu hunti na di otumfo trans na akosi agimadi akonya no bi yeye anso ya mfa ma no ye compare nipa mi hu e ko se otumfo se tutu na botre ni nim die ene obu o ma nipa ne abotre owo ene
ni na akosi agimadi wodi pe otumfo
sa na tie anso ye de otumfo because hu ni nim die
na bi so apa so me kai nipa that na akosi agimadi wodi bebre chen kwakudu akra de ye nsi de hina na ho ni nim no
wan ni nim no
wo
otene sahwi a onu osu onu kronya we so obedi akonya no nti wan fake ni lifestyle odi na botre na bodwe nim de nyansa no nyamede ma no na eno na odi nyiri ya no mu se na papa ye de akonya no ma na obeti asante ni mate Ghana nim ene hwe ne police service ni na ye ma no otufu ebo aboso bodi embo emu ase na ro pai be so nim de ni na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia I don't know. It's a delegate from Mokasadi was
from Although to be that man road, as a woman,
hey, sir, I'm not know about sir.
Fucking.
Oh, really?
Oh, Biatin,
Katie. Free Ghana and Timothy, we don't really know him much.
Oh, Satan, okay, I'm a boss. Rolling time. Buga, militia level. On funny man, you who my metro, you know, can be. Said, I for Cabinoa. It will be need Yakunya and ye. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Botre, I have Funina Jiratum. Bible say, O Lord, our Lord, how majestic is thy name in all the earth, that whose glory above the heavens is chanted by the mouth of babies and infants. And then Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia crying in Bonidin. And Obisa who is the current vice president of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
Who's Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia?
I don't know. I sent Krana Kum the Pio Manuaba. A Babu Yankopon account. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, or your henny that is seen henny. At new bid the day, trainer to your fairly break, Kabi Abecross, Yakrasi, straight to the Jubilee House, 2029, new president of the Republic of Ghana, straight independence, Yoko Kaisa John, Niakai Adubuahin, Niakai JH Mesa, Niakai Kufonum, Niakai Kufado, Niapomu Nabaso, and the JB Dankamuria, Kayan and Anam say, look, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Mono de Bagana, Yan and Mamudat Asamado, Mubed Dani Grave, Namuni Beji, Namube party, because Papa the Yebe, actually Ponso, the Yebe be possible the apex of economy. The policies are by and was $20 million, $240 million. Ira as a median fee by 2029.
But they are coming to one. Now, wouldn't say a fear a busian pono. So, but dear Cona, it was Maya with a bobra.
Yes.
Ana wunim. Say yes
Yes.
way. O say me fie akonya da ho. Me fie akonya wo ho ntimi nya niema basabasa. Ubedi akonya a usuban ne woni ye efi won kola brem na wode bobra wo. Na wonya niema hatu na akonya beto aye de ahini ama wo se bedi. Yenye ne sa.
Ensi.
Yenye ne sa.
Ensi. Na sabi
Ohini to
yaka
asam so an.
yaka amamuni enti ana ye nananom emrewa na eyi ahemfo. Ema ye no say emrewa abrewa tifie wanyini ne puma da no ho no ɔte abobo ano. Ana tenamena na so. Enkura wadi hifie ho anyi nyina na ni sa won. Ohwe omu nyina akosi so mbenyini. Na nti emu drum pempon so wo se ba kodi akonya yakobisa abrewa ne se nti mofra nyina de hye hwan ye de ne tra akonya no so yeyie. Esan so no atena fie no nim nkora ne suban fi omrante brem no omkola brem nyina no otimi kire se momfa we ntra akonya no so na we no wona de ne tra so a enunyam beba akonya no. Nti na ekwa abrewa akobisa. Na me bisa delegate for ne se Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ne kra Japan e wadi hifie no omunyini bomu a ana akonya to a omumienu hwan na office ye bebo ne din. Monka nkyere Ghana for. Muka se amemo na asem ketwa na enya gro Dr. Keke Sapon kontra UTV so be defend kan Japan. Question say bisa na for ntimi nkasa. Wagye atum se papa na ni suban. Omu nipa mu ma ka se
Kanu
ni
keke
ha
sapon no
bisem.
usuban. Ono Dr. Keke sapon no usuban.
Se
Obie
ni
na
Went to be a
nubi.
Stephen went to be a gas.
Obie na
Oh,
nubi.
wait me ankasa.
Obie na
went to be a gas.
nubi.
Oh, you be serious questions. Mr. Fia Papa and to me and
Because
Casapina
Dr.
Semna
Keke
Menino.
sapon, I am saying it with my foot as me just was saying in America. One so I penina wouldn't use to buy one ba could say. Keke sapon in America.
Ah,
One just fibium.
you
Na I
see?
am fan of power metal.
You see?
The government someone.
Sa no beti. Eti delegate aye penalty na da ho ball ne da go post ni mu. Keeper pia nso na po ni mu. Munhwe no manko fo bi ne na left one be bobo na nto antwene. Yes, I'm a Ghana for because Ghana for nya ratio when this phone mu di power ma wo no. First good year no ma ba no hwade o ma ye Ghana for $8 billion, $10 billion. And you man come billion dollars Ghana kro ma sense can ye mo so. America kwano is superpower now rich no krano. Hardly so better so about $10 billion. Hardly so better so about $5 billion. Just like that. I just say be out say invasion be about sika mo here and expand it. And I say be ko boy Israel and no budget be allocation. And so you kro mo the NDC for buy we bet $10 billion there afa ye nya impact no. We bet $240 million ayira ye hu be afa. We bet $10 billion next kana ayira. We bet $7 billion ma bodam Ghana kro mo ma media mo kan entre. Say na kufu ado chichiri Ghana to anka mba benya bia na moba makobo besia dodo sen IMF dodo sen na makwa ene mo bom hasafo nse mo na maye Ghana yi sika mo di eti na ntwi amutwa bi ma journalist for Ghana ha come and watum 780 million Ghana cedis ma chichama journalist for amuntimi nkasa hu blue say white ka krom be di klasifo ma bankran foforo a hu ka salon ka no ho po ade ne da ho clean was one kind of because your man is salon ka no answer this kekoto petru unyansa wan journalist ofui kwasi a wajimie enam muti free education anya adwuma opeso school brigades are you to 300 million ope first class school so kroma unkra 300 million 250 million our bank obi ma be destroy education and then news to power me hwe news campus
Yeah, stand na do ba obedi ako. Da Bawumia mo ba no mo be twa mu na hiafo no. No mo rafi. So I
me say na ukotech sister ukotech pa first year IB kohwe tech empty admission mo year me say just a handful cortex is here handful of students no admit here because nkora ni nyina mo fail won nyina mo make sure say nkora ni nyina tena fi wo the ice cream that Ghana for say e do fi the ice cream man Ghana for ma ne ma me mo tena se ma ye ma kwakoto abafun we obra kufu ado fa kokoo 450 de ko 31 million no man nesi for training allowance any teachers for nyina teacher allowance monye na ma me no papa ni bi afa bon ho adwa na ko school ko sua de misi agenda 111 na wo school akonyam kwan akoye hospital na kufu ado se wi na ndisi for ba ma je gumburam no matter $240 million na masa be jefi so on chen woni on any power rock. These people, when I become president in this country, these people are going to jail straight. Because you first reason Ghana Kromwa. Ghana first one, Ghana for Ghana for and come and we will deal with you people decisively. Now, delegate, me see a break.
People John Romani Mama by and then when ye. Yes, Uncle for complain say, oh, no matter what it Ghana yet then go for Bosnia that now only 1 year say.
Me deɛ ɛnneɛma so ntɛmaa me kyerɛ sɛ emo Royal Umbrella 1.5 esonte ebi to say 75 K75 70 cedi me sa amoni minni kire se me pamoni anwa ye nte so enya mu bia no eba ye nyina e fo dada enya ma ama na ba ma so teye etimi da ne ma so ntem ame
It you had a 1 year, not to turn an for the 1 year no 2017 and to see a bellow.
oh so ye enni mu sa kire se akufo do ye bi papa no ye bi pa na Ghana for do ba bia ye nyia ye se ne ma ama na aka che ye se ye wo short memory no sa ne de bi ye akufo ado che se ye refi asamo ntem che se ma ama tena nka aka che ye se ye ne aka afo asantefo tumfo opem so na me bobi mu asema wo so diska kokko kwa be ye kwan a enye ye fe me ti we mama bibie ne wo be ye be me fe che se bibie ne wo be ye be me fe or diska be gumi dem makora nya me fe
I don't say the party now or into an answer.
and ne party no wo no kire se omo no edu ba bia omo ye kataso mu aso NDC for ye kataso mu aso de dollar koso dollar kofo dollar hwe sami dem fi ba na no hwe na fo no sami dem fi ba na mi ya hwe na fo no hwe de wa de kala aye fe ne de wa ye kama what this can be sami dem me see MPP me ye full MPP nyame ya dum na MPP ba no man si sami dem fi antum na NDC for man chi bi antum a me kame ma me papa me sepom say me ntoma ba man MPP bi me ntoma ba mo bi o mo kire say MPP for mo sura asem mo ba because onu di mo e was some sumu eti me ba wo me MPP ni ba wo me ba me pe Kennedy baba me de sisi apa Kennedy na meta na chi kire say Kennedy na owo bold na kukuduro na anu day
But I said, me to be say, John Mama by Christmas, where I had 10 penny that didn't part of so cool. Now, what's the 1 year she in 1 year? Oh, I said,
Christmas bay and see to Branya way. Branya way, you should have yo, blah. Yaka and Shabay, share, I read one ya, ye deal with Branya way. Shall I say 1 year to Abacana Branya the year? Last year, Saturday, 7 December, 9 year to Abano. Now you will pray mu, no my shed yawaha. Yet it's a honey a palm for I say, Omo to aba. Eh, what can call for the wool? Yanko to a bunny air patch, Omo to a bow, Moko to a bow. Elsie did grow your about time for your second mothers. Yet Jayamo on your baby be a moment. Now see the fair, and Yakasa Radin Yanaduma. Now so I feel where they are radical for NDC for pa. And radical for
it is a already John Mama out of 100. Over man say.
100 na me majo mama bia me ma ne 10 na me de 90 na me MPP 4
Now, man, and Akufa so the first year, no so man say, in 1 year, no be 2017. That's what man
100% share na me be kuna ni o me pro with 16 years ni di odi ade ahwe me ma me ba no okọ school ni year second one we JHS okọ education ne second one so we okọ education me bo we tapasinia high wo twa papa sha fidia NDC for the aya SS for the we ye redo the aya wo mo wo se first year university ye free what should that sinkwala de nyina so de be yo mo nko what should that si wo mo so de be yo mo timi ko university na abese wo abese sikanim mo charge nti wo feli kwala de nyina ama bebre wo mo nyina bo wo mo mama worry ye pana na yire pana sampa but onya sponsor dia bia ayi boxi re ama ne ba no pana de baba no kita phone na woja atse no aye sei bra ye bi no sta ba mo fa bi ba gudom na ye bi no mo nya so mo de to de yire de to price ne to ma papa fese no
na e jom so mo se dollar na atete 20 jom mo nya fo kakra
e do me na mo fo wo mo so mo ti me nka to do me ta ba kokoro mo nta o me to fa na ye bob
mo ti mi ton fo
bomb no mo chama
mo ton fo bob
bob Abu ni nye sada mo se mo bro dia show bi ani anu sa roje ya no kofi okwada na wo ti
that's it brother my brother na me say John Romani mama the first year and then 1 year pepepe odi hotel so then 1 year the performance ni nyuma to say what to na Akufo-Addo the 1 year 2017 the first 1 year na so better do me tem na percentage wise no obama we say no we say
we say like akwa say wako SHS for from
first year in school no we sometimes I know say who courses are actually courses are okako ye mu nyina random na say mu nyina muku and so the second term no and they say bia akwa we asafata na won say mami pon na me kla kakla say NDC farmer to an MPS am so no can crow NDC me say politics I should anyam lie but sometimes so address issue bia I was say one address issue no on normal basis because obian say the ATB because oga say NDC for na man kla na ntwa akwa na kwotwe na exam na market ana politician bia no bet make exam na we wa bento ba be yin for Friday abo exam na so mo from MPP time omo na market NDC time yo enti ka say akwa na twa exam na no beti no ontini da ana secondly odan say abane ba onchi wa no onchi on na omo abu eskere nyina kwa gogo mu fe na sami demfikal IF na den chairman won obi a oton botika on mabulada
Debbie.
Enti fa ne say adwuma na wo ye na adwuma no so abana na o say dey musu twa na odidi say na adifo ne ka say odifo bia no ye adwuma on so didi on sem paka o dey o ye no because say o MP another politician say o MP another politician ebe gina television no kasa na natari ehia no ne pabo ehia no say I stay bia chama
Ha wasem.
Ubeka enti o tani pa no sese no ana o sese no so anya nkwa no so hwe o so hwe adwuma na nipa na dey eya no frankly speaking NDC anya party amepe ana people sunya party amepe politics nya me lie me say eba na mko koto ba me hwe enwuma nipa na omo ya ena fa ya dey ana mtuma abako me no me random voter me to abako ha me to abako but afu aba no
Misi me busa wa your mama no 1 year na ne pepepe na 1 year. Wo de to akufaro 1 year 2017 no ho na hu se dede na okom no atmosphere na te say. Over percentage wise, we ma Akufo-Addo say no ma John Mahama say. Obi first year.
But first year, because Obi 50-50. 50-50. Because the thing is, and this for more year to pa. By ya no to for no yemfa adwuma no enya adwuma. Who tell me kasa? Okwa phone sir. Dollar rate na ekofo mu. Utu fa phone ba. Ya phone for no dey. Be say Ghana ha no mo. Omo no ma so ya phone ko ha. Mobile phone ko na tie no ma so. E ma no omo ko kra mo ne ba omo say mo no ya de Stefa ana kofa ana Stefa ya ante so ana den ya ante so on strategy do mu yusu hanom enti hanom de anoma ya ante so but say individual ne bete so no ona problem ne wono enti asa na o me nipa no ono be gina ne party bi o wono no no de me nipa no poto enti aben bia ba obi adwuma aben bia ba ne 1 year no from NDC last 4 years NPP MPP last 4 years NDC this year almost first 1 year. Then you know I pay 50-50.
That's it.